Open the search menu and type CMD. Right click on command prompt and select run as administrator. Confirm any user account control prompts. Copy the first command from the video description and paste the command into command prompt. Press enter and wait for the scan to complete. This may take several minutes. Copy the second command from the description and paste it. Press enter and wait for the scan to complete. Close the command prompt. Restart your computer. That's it. Thanks for watching. See you in next tutorial.